Today, we're making a warm, creamy bowl of Cream of Gungo Peas soup. Simple ingredients, big island flavor. All you need is Gungo Peas, Grace coconut milk, fresh aromatics, and Grace all-purpose seasoning to bring it all together. Start by heating vegetable oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Chop the onion, garlic, and scallion, and then saute them until fragrant. Then add the Gungo Peas and stir to build flavor. Pour in Grace coconut milk and let everything simmer until the peas soften and the flavors blend. Remove from heat and blend until smooth and creamy. Return the soup to the pot, then add Grace Scotch bonnet, sauce, salt, pepper, and Grace all-purpose seasoning to taste. Let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Add a little water if the soup is too thick. And just like that, a creamy bowl of Cream of Gungo Peas soup, ready to enjoy. Subscribe for more delicious, authentic recipes with Grace Foods.